Hi! In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from PayPal to GCash and to convert your dollars in PayPal to Peso. If you will find this video helpful, please do me a favor to click the like and subscribe button below. Let's start! Step 1. You need to log in your PayPal account using a browser. Search PayPal, log in, enter your PayPal registered email or phone number and password. Tap Login. Carry out the quick security check. You can choose to use one of the following. Tap Next. Enter the code sent in your chosen option and submit. Step 2. Convert money in your PayPal account to Peso. Tap PayPal balance, then the 3 dots in the US dollars, convert currency, choose which currency, then next. Enter the amount that you want to convert. You can see the available amount here. Next. Their conversion rate or amount is also shown here. Click Convert Now, then Done. Your balance will now be converted to your desired currency. Step 3. Transfer PayPal balance to GCash. Make sure that PayPal is already linked in your GCash. Log in to your GCash account, tap Cash In, choose Global Banks and Partners, then find PayPal. Enter amount. Note that there is 1% convenience fee. Tap Next. Proceed. OK. Although it states to wait up to 24 hours, in my experience, it reflected real time in my GCash account. I hope you find this video helpful. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.